Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to lock camera focus on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who have a lot of excitement to photography, of course guys, you have to shot another photo that very high quality and then full HD. And if you want to get any good photo from the phone, of course you have to lock the camera focus on the object that you want to shot. And how to lock the camera focus is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first, now you can go to camera, and then now you can go to the object and then click on the object and then press and hold until there's AA and AF lock, and then you can shut it, and then now you can see the result, and the result will very perfect and high quality like this. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to lock camera focus on Poco M7 Pro. And then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.